Hello, bankers. In this video, we are going to show you how you can accomplish the following tasks. One, deposit money on a savings account for a client. Two, withdraw money from the same savings account. Three, you're going to see how you can print a receipt for a transaction that is on the client's account. And four, you're going to see how you can see an account statement for a same client. Let's start. So you do that by, first of all, selecting the client that is already in the system. For example, you do that by typing a few letters that match the client, is either phone number or their name or their external ID. In this case, we only have one client, but just to show you how that goes, that is how it would happen. So we click on this client. And since we're going to deal with savings, so we select the savings tab here. And under the savings, we can see there is only one savings account. So we're going to work with that account. So the account shows you a few things, the summary of the account, for example. As you can see, it shows you the total deposits, the withdrawals, the fees, if any, the account balance, and the available balance, and any outstanding charges, if any. And then it also presents two forms where we can perform the withdrawal and the deposit of funds. So let's start with the depositing funds. So let's say the client has come in and they've deposited, let's say 100,000. You specify their money, and then you specify the channel. For example, if it is cash, you specify the cash. And you can go ahead and fill in these details, the description, the receipt number. Let's say receipt number 89. And then receipt number, description of, let's say, loan payment. Receipt number 89 and deposit. So upon successful deposit of the money, the system will redirect us to the list of transactions that have so far happened on this account. And if there is any transaction for which you want to view a receipt, we would look under the actions. You click the eye icon, and when you do that, you'll be presented with a screen, a preview of the receipt, which has everything that you would want from a receipt. And if you want, you can go ahead and download that receipt if you want to present it to give it to a client. To go back and perform another transaction, we would come here. At this time, let us do a withdrawal, let's say of 15,000. Let's say today's date, and we want to withdraw 15,000. The same payment method. Description, you can say cash withdraw. Issue receipt number, deposit, and click there. So here we are. This is the transaction we just performed, and this is the running balance after that transaction has been performed. Now, while we are still here, I would like to show you the statement for this client. This is how it will look like, the preview of it. And if we wanted to print it, we'll come here and download it. And after downloading it, then we can go ahead and issue it to the client after signing it or stamping it. That is what we wanted to share for today. Thank you very much. We urge you to subscribe to this channel because we're going to be sharing many videos to guide users on how to use the BANKAYO UI for Fineract. Thank you very much. See you next time.